At the gas station.
My car needs gas.
Sure. Which kind do you need?
Regular, please.
No problem. How much would you like?
Please fill it up.
Okay. Is this your first stop today?
Yes, I'm going to work.
Busy morning?
A little. I left home late.
That happens. The roads look busy today.
Yes, there were many cars.
Where do you work?
I work at a clothing store downtown.
Oh, that is not too far.
No, but traffic can be slow.
Very true. Some mornings are like that.
I just hope I'm not late.
I think you still have time.
I hope so.
Your tank is almost full now.
Great, thank you.
Do you need anything else today?
Maybe a bottle of water.
We have cold water inside.
Perfect, I need that.
It is a warm day already.
Yes, and the sun is very strong.
Your car looks very clean.
Thank you. I washed it yesterday.
Nice. Mine needs a wash.
Mine gets dusty very fast.
That is true around here.
How much do I pay?
It is $23.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day at work.
Thanks. I hope your day goes well too. Waiting at the bus stop.
The bus is a little late today.
Yes, I have been waiting for 10 minutes.
Do you take this bus every day?
Almost every day.
Me too.
Then maybe I have seen you before.
Maybe. I usually stand over there.
I usually wait near the bench.
Are you going to work?
Yes. What about you?
I am going to school.
Oh, what do you study?
Business. I have a morning class today.
That sounds nice.
It is nice, but sometimes I feel sleepy.
Yes, morning classes can be hard.
Very hard sometimes.
I work at a bakery. I start early too.
That must smell really good.
It does. Fresh bread in the morning is the best.
Now I am hungry.
Sorry about that.
What time do you start work?
At 8 o'clock.
Then you still have time.
Yes, but I do not like to be late.
Same here.
Do you always take the bus?
Most days, yes. It's easy and cheap.
I like it too. I can relax for a few minutes.
That is true.
Sometimes I listen to music on the bus.
I usually look out the window.
I do that too.
I think the bus is coming now.
Yes, I can see it.
Good. We will not be late today.
That is good news.
After you.
Thanks. Talking about your job.
You look tired today.
A little. Work was busy yesterday.
What do you do?
I work in a bookstore.
That sounds nice.
It is nice. I like books very much.
What do you do there?
I help customers and put books on the shelves.
Do many people come every day?
Yes, especially in the afternoon.
Do people ask many questions?
All the time.
I can imagine that.
Some people know the book name, some people do not.
Then you have to guess?
Yes, sometimes.
That sounds funny.
Sometimes it is funny.
What is the best part of your job?
I like meeting different people.
That is nice.
What about you? What do you do?
I work at a small hotel.
Really? What do you do there?
I work at the front desk.
So you talk to many people too.
Yes, every day.
Is it busy?
Some days are quiet. Some days are very busy.
What do people ask you?
Mostly about rooms, breakfast, and directions.
That sounds simple.
Mostly simple, yes.
Do you like your job?
I do. I like helping people.
That is important.
Yes. A good day in work feels nice.
I agree.
Do you work every day?
No, I have Sunday off.
That is good. Everyone needs rest.
Very true.
Maybe you can read a good book on Sunday.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
At the mobile repair shop.
My phone is not working well.
Let me take a look. What is the problem?
The screen is broken and the phone turns off.
When did this happen?
This morning, it fell from my hand.
Oh no. Did it fall hard?
Yes, on the floor.
I see the crack here.
Can you fix it?
Yes, I think so.
That is good to hear.
Does the phone charge normally?
Yes, but it turns off after a few minutes.
Okay, maybe the battery is also weak.
I was worried about that.
Don't worry, I will check everything.
Thank you. I use this phone for work.
Then we should fix it soon.
How long will it take?
Maybe about 1 hour.
That is not too bad.
Do you have important things on the phone?
Yes, my photos and work contacts.
I understand. I will be careful.
Thank you. I really need those.
What model is this?
It is 2 years old now.
It still looks good.
It did before this morning.
Phones fall at the worst time.
That is very true.
Would you like a new screen protector too?
Yes, that sounds smart.
Good idea. It can help next time.
I hope there is no next time.
I hope so too.
How much will it cost?
The repair will be $30.
Okay, that is fine.
Please come back in 1 hour.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I will take care of it.
A conversation in the elevator.
This elevator is slow today.
Yes, it stops on every floor.
I think we have a few more floors.
I think so too.
Do you work in this building?
Yes, on the 7th floor.
Nice. I work on the 5th floor.
Oh, then we are almost neighbors.
Looks like it.
Do you work here every day?
Yes, Monday to Friday.
Same for me.
Funny, I do not think we have met before.
Maybe our schedules are different.
Maybe. What kind of work do you do?
I work in an office. I answer emails and phone calls.
That sounds busy.
Some days are very busy.
I work in accounting.
Oh, numbers all day.
Yes, many numbers.
That sounds hard.
Sometimes, but I like it.
That is good.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. The people are nice.
Good coworkers make a big difference.
Very true.
This elevator is still moving slowly.
Maybe it is tired too.
Maybe it needs coffee.
I need coffee too.
Same here. It is still early.
Very early. I almost missed my alarm.
Really?
Yes, but I made it.
That is a good start then.
Yes, I cannot complain.
Oh, this is my floor.
The 5th floor already?
Yes. Have a good day.
You too. Maybe I will see you again in the elevator.
I think you will.